Technology has made it possible for people from all walks of life to have access to different resources. And further, technology has also been used to equip people who need a certain type of assistance to improve their life, their quality of life. Well, today we have got a smartwatch that helps us to measure our blood pressure and measure our blood oxygen level. So stay till the end with us and let's see how it works. So let's unbox the YHE BP Doctor Pro Blood Pressure Smartwatch. And let's see, does it really measure the blood pressure or not? It comes with a quick guide that tells you how to watch and connect to your phone and how to measure your blood pressure. Sometimes many people just don't read the quick book, though it is really helpful to know all about the features that one device has inside. And there's a nice thank you card with the smartphone's motherboard. And then we have the manual guidebook that tells you all about the features that is inside the watch. The smartwatch comes in a simple box, and let's see what is inside the box. We have a micro USB cable and the charging dock here, and the charging dock is having the micro USB port. Well, it is kinda smaller than I expected for a watch to measure the blood pressure. The YHE smartwatch feels very solid and having a polished stainless steel case with black silicone straps. So let's wear and see how it feels and how it works. And next, let's go and set up this watch. So first of all, we have to scan this QR code on the smartwatch. Let's open Bluetooth on our phone. And one more thing, if we want to connect this smartwatch to our phone via Bluetooth, we also need to install the BP Doctor Plus application on our phone so that we can have all the details and features on our phone that we have on our smartwatch. So let's go ahead. So I'm pairing. Now let's open the application here, BP Doctor Plus, and here we have connected. So here we have the battery 68%, which shows the battery of our smartwatch. We can have all our data on this phone, the calories, the steps that we take every day, and the oxygen level, the heartbeat, and one of the coolest feature that has the BP blood pressure. So let's go ahead and check out the coolest feature of this smartphone, the blood pressure measure. So it's very easy to use. Just put the watch at the heart level, and just like that, a regular blood pressure monitor keep the body stable and relaxed, and hit the start. Then the watch starts pumping air into the air cuff to increase the pressure on our wrist. Well, to my honest opinion, it is really helpful to keep our blood pressure in check, which is very cool. Smartwatch also having some other features, just like measuring and tracking the blood oxygen level. There is an alarm, calorie tracking, and sleep tracking, weather, and many more settings. And on unit we have distance and temperature. We can measure by miles and kilometer, and also we can measure the temperature by Fahrenheit and centigrade. You can pick any of them that you want. And the final verdict about this smartwatch, which is very convenient to wear and using bunch of features for the daily use and very simple to sync with the smartphone. The price is only about $199, and if you click on the product link to the video description, You all will get an extra watch band by using this exclusive link. So just click the exclusive link in the description. You will get the watch for just $199 and with the watch band. So make sure to go and check out. And if you find any part of this video very helpful for you, so give it a like and share it with your friend to see more videos on how technology can really help our life in every way possible. Keep supporting by subscribing. And until then, stay blessed and enjoy every moment.